Hey guys, OCD Ghost here. Today I'm just putting up a quick video to ask if a card is fake. I bought it off eBay and I've just received it in the mail. The card I'm wondering about is this Super Rare Pot of Duality. Now, camera's not really focusing on it, but I'll see if I can just zoom in and see if it'll focus any better. No, it's not really. The only reason I'm asking is because compared to these other two Pot of Duality cards, they're all the same. They're all meant to be the same, sorry. They're all from collector's tins, all CT08-EN008. But this card in the middle is darker than the other two, and its writing for spell card and its effect is a lot bolder, and it doesn't look as crisp, so it kind of looks fake. So that's why I'm kind of dubious on it. Everything else, the picture on it looks fine, but it's just, I'm not too sure. It looks kind of out of place with the other two. So any comments as soon as possible would be appreciated. Thanks.